What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. So today I want to talk about Halloween Horror Nights 30 to start off with. So I guess they have the return of Jack is coming back. I think a lot of people who love Halloween Horror Nights already knows this. They haven't really released a lot of the other houses, but I love Halloween Horror Nights. And if you love Halloween Horror Nights as much as I love Halloween Horror Nights, then you're excited for it every year. Now, I was excited when they put this movie in Halloween Horror Nights, Trick or Treat, a cult classic. That's Sam right there. I put him out every year for Halloween in the front of the house. Everybody loves him. So I was a huge fan of them putting this movie there. One of the best houses and scare zones that they've ever done, in my opinion. And also Killer Clowns from Outer Space. Killer Clowns from Outer Space, another cult classic movie with a huge following of people that love it and adore it. And so what I'm here to talk about is what I would like to see them do next year. Halloween Horror Nights 31 in the year 2022. And that is bring Willys Wonderland as a house to Halloween Horror Nights. It needs to be done. It needs to be done. If you haven't seen Willys Wonderland, do yourself a favor and watch the movie. Watch it a couple times. It's amazing. It's an amazing movie. I love that movie. It's got Nicolas Cage in as a star, and he says nothing, zilch, through the whole movie, not a word. And to me, it's one of his greatest performances. To me, I think it's fantastic. Everything about that movie, I love it. It's awesome. If you're a fan of Five Nights at Freddy's, then you're probably gonna love Willys Wonderland. If they made a Five Nights at Freddy's movie, I don't think they would do it justice compared to Willys Wonderland. They did a great job on that movie, and as far as I'm concerned, it's better than Con Air.
Why couldn't you put the bunny back in the box?
I think it's better than Face Off.
I'd like to take his face off. Yes.
I think it's better than Raising Arizona. No, wait. No, it's definitely not better than Raising Arizona. That's his best performance ever. Definitely not. But it is better than The Rock. Don't you think, Nick?
Oh, yeah. Absolutely, sir.
Look, I'm not going to rake his movies in any particular order in the way that I like them.
Put it in the right file, according to alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Huh?
Calm down, buddy. Calm down. So there you go. This would make a great house at Halloween Horror Nights. Could you imagine it? You walk up to the front. You go inside and it's all dirty and nasty the way it is in the movie, with the characters on the stage and the tables all in disarray with cups and paper plates and everything laying everywhere. But on the walls, on the monitors, it's playing from when Willys Wonderland was open, the theme song and the shots of the birthday parties and everything.
Birthday, and we want you to have fun. It's your birthday.
And then the characters can kind of move, you know, and startle you a little bit.
I'm gonna feast on your face!
And they can have the different rooms. They can have the kitchen where you have the janitor, Nicolas Cage's character, over in the corner playing pinball with his can of Punch Pop sitting on there. And they could probably even have this character playing the janitor performing some of Nicolas Cage's amazing moves at the pinball machine, like this one. And of course he's gonna have to do this. And let's not forget this footwork right here. Hell yeah, that's my boy Nick getting down. And then you can go through the bathroom where the bathroom stalls slam open and shut and scare you.
Let's play hide and seek. You'll never find me.
And then you can definitely have a jump scare in there with something jumping out at you.
Gorilla greeting.
Yeah, I mean, you can have the jungle looking room with the female animatronic, I forget her name, jumping out and scaring. I mean, there's so many different places to do jump scares in there. I mean, when you're walking in, you can have text standing out front welcoming you to Willys Wonderland, thanking you for helping clean it up so we can get it ready to reopen.
Check this out.
And then when you're leaving, the female can utter the line that she does at the end of the movie.
Thanks for visiting Willys Wonderland. Hope you had a fantabulous time.
So yeah, I think it would be a fantastic house. I would love to see this house at Halloween Horror Nights. Willys Wonderland. It would be colorful. It would be awesome. Animatronic characters jumping out scaring you. You have the janitor character in there. Have scenes where he's fighting Willy at the end, that epic scene when the music slows down. So yeah, I mean, come on guys. This is a no-brainer. Halloween Horror Nights needs to put Willys Wonderland and Halloween Horror Nights 31 next year, 2022. Let's share this video, like the video so it gets more views. Let's get it out there. Go on to Universal Studios social media sites. Put it on there that you want to see Willys Wonderland. Now, I looked it up online to see if I could see anything about maybe Halloween Horror Nights doing a Willys Wonderland house. And all I came up with was I believe it was like a fake Reddit post that somebody had put up, but I didn't see anything else about it. So let's get it out there. Let's get Willys Wonderland as a Halloween Horror Nights house at Universal Studios Orlando, Universal Studios California. Both. I think it would be fantastic. I think people love houses like this, just like Trick or Treat and Killer Clowns from Outer Space. People love it. I love it. Let's get it done. So like I said, share this on social media, give it likes, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I'm Chewy Solo, and this is Black and Red. See ya.
Woo! Now that is a whole lot of fun right there.